welcome.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so nice. It's a swan. Alright, so we're gonna go, step down into the TV room.
Okay, let's see.
Hey, we overlooking the pool and piece of the beach. That is really good. So guys, here's what we got: an upgrade on our room, complimentary upgrade. Kudos to Hotel Rio for hooking us up. You definitely want to come visit them. Only been here a few hours and I'm just completely blown away. Big light switches. I don't know what is it, but these big light switches. Alright, so there's like the bathroom area, double sinks. Oh, we have a tub / bathroom. I don't think we'll be filling this up though, but it's still nice. Alright, cool. So stay tuned for more stuff. Alright, so I didn't do you guys justice. No, I didn't do you guys justice. This is the closet space here. We're gonna go back through the room. Just double bed. I have no idea. I'm gonna edit that one out. Alright, I'm gonna just open the door here to show you our balcony access. It overlooks the pool area, part of the beach. I mean, this place is so incredible. Again, big up Hotel Rio. Complimentary upgrade on our room, and you know, it just goes to show that, you know, it is a God above. So we're gonna totally enjoy it. Stay tuned for more footage as I bring you Hotel Rio Jamaica.